After a few days riding downhill in Åre, we decided to go towards the Norwegian border, along with the road E14. I like to travel without too much plans and decide what to do on the go. After searching on Google Maps for interesting places, I found this waterfall, and it seems to be Sweden's largest. After about 30 minutes driving from Åre, we arrived at this beautiful location. I'm really glad we didn't miss this out. When standing there watching this masterpiece, you realize how much power nature got. While we were here, of course I couldn't resist to put the FPV in the sky. And look at these views.
That was Tännforsen. It was a nice experience. Sweden's largest waterfall. Beautiful. Welcome to Norway. Pölse med bröd.